Are you looking to track competitors on JungleScout and gain a competitive edge in your product research? In this quick JungleScout guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to track your competitors using this powerful tool, whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategy. Stick around until the end, because I've got some exclusive bonuses for you that will take your product research to the next level. First, if you're not familiar with JungleScout, it's an all-in-one platform designed to help Amazon sellers find profitable product opportunities, but one of its most powerful features is competitor tracking, which allows you to monitor what other sellers are doing and see how you can outperform them. I'll show you exactly how to set it up and use it effectively. Let's dive right in. To track your competitors, the first thing you'll want to do is head to the JungleScout dashboard and navigate to the product tracker, Lalada. This is where you can monitor any product's performance over time. Add the product you want to track, and from here, you can see a complete breakdown of sales estimates, pricing, and even the reviews these products are getting. Once you've added a product, you can easily track its competitors. You do this by identifying products that are similar in terms of category, price range, and customer ratings. JungleScout makes it easy to compare multiple products side by side, giving you insights into the key performance metrics. This includes total sales, estimated monthly revenue, and even average review ratings, all in real time. Now, let's take a closer look at the Competitor Spy tool. This feature allows you to reverse engineer your competitor's strategy. You'll get a detailed list of keywords they're ranking for and the volume of traffic those keywords are driving. By understanding what keywords are working for your competitors, you can optimize your own listings to outperform them. Another crucial aspect of tracking competitors on JungleScout is understanding their advertising strategies. You can see if they're running sponsored ads and how well those ads are performing. This can give you a huge advantage because you'll know where they're investing their ad spend and where you might be able to outbid them or target a niche that they're missing. Now, let's talk about the Alt Opportunity Score. This score ranks products based on their potential profitability. By monitoring the opportunity scores of your competitors' products, you can quickly identify market gaps or products that might not be as competitive as they appear on the surface. This is a game changer for product development because it helps you spot the best opportunities for growth. As we wrap up, remember that tracking competitors on JungleScout isn't just about copying what they're doing, it's about learning from them. By analyzing their sales trends, pricing strategies, and keywords, you can craft your own approach that capitalizes on gaps in the market and outperforms them in the long run. If you're ready to start tracking your competitors and boost your Amazon business, be sure to check out the first link in the description for an exclusive and extended free trial of JungleScout, along with some great bonuses to help you get started. Don't miss out. This is your chance to take your product research to the next level.